Kaseng Congress Mahila Committee West Khasi Hills hakan ril terik uluber kala Pynthymmai ye ki Nongkitkam habaro laitali ki block ha West Khasi Hills District ki bakentup ye Nongstone Mountain Road bat karam berai jerngam. Ya kajingelang Pynthymmai Nongkitkam lepenlong ha Congress Bhavan Nongstone da kajingedon lang ka Kong Joplin Scott Shilla President ka Meghalaya Pradesh Mahila Congress ka Kong Soni Kharjana General Secretary ka Meghalaya Pradesh Mahila Congress Committee, ka Kim Hokip Secretary ka All India Mahila Congress in charge Meghalaya Pradesh Mahila Committee, uba Bormanding Nonglang President ka District Congress Committee West Khasi Hills, bat kiway ki Nongyalam ka Congress. Lajit i ki Nongkitkam Pynthymmai jong ka District Congress Committee Mahila, kiba kentup ya ka Kong Joyfulness Marwen President, Kong Pernai Soshang Vice President, Kong Lucky Marwen Secretary, Kong Glory Horni Lingkoi Treasurer, but Kong Deitina Marwen kanong aibut. Katbaya ka Kong Meris Karsentiu legit kum ka President Meghalaya Pradesh Mahila Congress Nongstone Block, but ka Kong Rosemary Marbanyang President jong ka Meghalaya Pradesh Mahila Congress Mountain Road Block.
Look at our ministers. They can be still bought with money. Why? We say I am a Christian. As long as Congress government was there, there was no problem in Manipur. There was few blockades were there which the Congress government stopped it within 5 days. Why it's 10 months now that why is it not stopping? Because Modi government, BJP government doesn't care for the poor. They only care for the rich people. That is, there are only 3 people you all know. Manipur is burning. Every place is burning. Modi is going to the sea. He can go to foreign where 10 lakhs of suits. He can roam around the country. Why isn't he not going to Manipur? When your own daughters has been paraded naked. You, me, we all have daughters. Our daughters have been paraded naked without clothes in Manipur. But why isn't that Mr. Modi is not opening his mouth? Why? Demonetization happened. It's all with Congress. And now Congress has freezed our account again. Because MP has freezed. Yeah, because BJP has freezed the account of Congress because MP election is coming. So they are playing that way. And they're going to buy our people. When I say, if I'm a Christian, why I should be bought by money? I trust in God. When I go to other states, mainland, people ask me, Madam Kim. Yes, I said. You are a Christian? I said, yes. Meghalaya, Nagaland and Mizoram is a pure Christian state. Yes or no? Yes. Manipur, Arunachal is half-half. So, people ask me lots of things about you all. Today, I'm roaming to every block and I'm seeing every one of you. I can see that all of you can do much better than me. Because I'm not from here. I don't know how your politics work. I just came here to listen to you all, to guide you all. And you have to tell me, Madam, if this is the way, then only I can help you. And I need your help. All of you need to help me out. How do we work? The only thing is, you, all of you, Meghalaya, Shillong people, you are known by every state, even in the foreign, because of Mr. Vincent Palaji. Because he is in the parliament. That's why you are known. So today we need to show our strength. The woman needs to show our strength. Women, all of us will make Vincent Pala come back this time.
Ka Congress Party, kalong ka party ka baay ka jingay loy haka bapin buot kanu kanyam pin bam kanu ka bam pin riam kanu ka riam pin buot kanu ka riti ka dustur ka ay ka jingay loy mdeng tangi man laki state man laki jelas pitip kidon kiwi pada ki jelah ni pokari India ta kini ki jelah ki ya kuntup lang ka salong kari India teman ki jelah kidon na kiwi ki tin asau kini ki Madras sya Punjab do Punjabi sya ki Bihari na Bengal uta ke kari India ka Kongres ka Sultanat banong ba bani ki sentiu ki balong la kajong karong yung kwa ada urang baju ha kaju kakper Day na kata daw bangiyawan hang ni banginyalap siya pang ka Congress Party. Yo pi ki bedang tmai kumbang kong diti ibal adon ka Congress Party na do kisnem ka kendai spa kendai popra ibal along i block president. Ilatip ya kanong rem jong ka Congress Party yem treban pet ngam treban pet ngasya terwa pisah ngam tre ngatray kila apel ki youth ki NEHU ay barok ay ang sama nga apo Congress bangam ko bandi kari baka jay bandrio ngimyo ay ngimyo pisang ngimyo kilaki puti bakan ay ka Congress Andre kaya ya dapat de ya kari baka jay bandrio jungi habang ipay siya kiway pa de ki party ki bad sensyar mentay kari baka jay bandrio jungi bad sensyar gani ka yaka jelah bat yaka ri India barok kawai ngi ima ngi syong haka jinx ear kilas dang mantuklar wat how kiu jajong pi jonga kay bangi de ban chen kay bangi de ban bam kiom de shaban pim de shaban bam dok masih wah, Pinoy ngam de ban bam do masite ade do bung ngam yo bam shu do shan ngam yo bam do rose ngam yo bam serwang ngam yo bam shanofi ngatengan congkelan mongor nanti duan mudi ngan buat dekat do masi kata gade kayu jong BJP bam de ban pim de ban duai pim de ban maniu jisu Weng itu kidur jong jisu ba pibo paskol. Pimdai ban pong ka kasok padam de shu kan riam tu ka jingriam padar uang kiong. Weng. Pimdai ban ong in the name of the Father, the Son, the Holy Spirit. Pimdai ban ong Jai Shri Ram. Kalapoy hapo. Pelau jengi kan ni. Ha asam, ha border, apoy. Kam slam syuk. Ban poy hang ni. Ngiri ban Peit ke Jingjayu po Manipur. Mantal ashpo bena ini. Ila syak thang ka yeng ka sem. La syak thang ki kalin riu teli. Mdan jain mdan nep syuk. No coba sa po Manipur la pet chapo. Chapo di Mapur. Way koncha way ka koncha way. Way koncha way ulok siya no. Kataru idang yad na menta ka Congress Party ban pagsuto. Yaki break ibam suto. Baka bangidon ka man rabi ay ka Congress Party ha kane kari India baka sensyar. Bangin yo kasut kasan. Kirip Yaki kon ifti jong ki penlait kuit yaki kime